Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So, what's going on? This is the live price prediction and also technical analysis of Stellar, and also what's the target of Stellar. I tell you, my friend, and I'll share my opinion to this is selling, holding, or buying time. So everything in this video is going to be very special. But first of all, if you can see here, my friend, this time the crafter market especially very badly falls down. So remember, also XLM also falls down, my friend. A lot of holders telling me to please answer this, answer me to sell, hold, or buy. So a lot of holders tell me. So therefore, I want to make special video for Stellar holder. Let's get started the price prediction, my friend. To what's going on upcoming days, they falls down or they go up. But first of all, I request you, my brother, please click the subscribe button. Just one time subscribe this channel. This channel guide you every time. This channel update you every latest news of all cryptocurrencies. So you just click on the red button. Thanks for subscription. Thanks for like this video, my friend. My friend, if you can see here, this is the last 7 days, and first of all, I draw a chart. This is very important. There you better understand if I draw this chart, my friend. Okay, this time if you can see here, my friend, after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they again fails down. So this is the circulation. If you can see here, my friend, after a fails they take a very high jump, and after a jump they fails down. So this is the circulation. But if you can see here, they are completely fails down. They are completely fails down. So my friend, in upcoming days they are fails down. Exactly, if this circulation they're moving up, then the price is badly lose down, my friend. Exactly, this time you can see here 0.64 US dollar is the latest price, but the price come to 0.4 US dollar. So this is very badly falls down, my friend. People starting selling. So exactly, this is very bad decision. They cannot give you a very good profit. If you sell this time, exactly, they make you very poor. They cannot give you a good profit. Absolutely. So my friend, let's check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour chart, my friend. This time minus 23% they falls down in the last 7 days, and also falls down, my friend, 1.28%, and just in the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, very bad, my friend. This time if you can see here, they also going in a circulation, my friend. I already tell you, this time they take a small jump. They take a small jump, but circulation is continuously on, my friend. But this time you can see here the price come to 0.49 US dollar from 0.7 US dollars. So exactly, very bad falls, my friend. But if you sell at this time, absolutely, you are in very bad fault, my friend. You are in the loss. Exactly. So I remember, I tell you, my friend, the target is 1 US dollar, but I think if they're moving in this type, exactly, this is not possible, my friend. What you say, this is possible if they're moving in like this? Exactly, this is not possible. Please also tell me in a comment box. And my opinion is that exactly, if you sell this time, then I think you are in the loss. So don't sell it. Please hold it, but don't buy more. Exactly, wait for a good time to they starting moving off like a rocket, then exactly you buy more, and they give you very good profit, then sell it, my friend. But at the end of the month, I hope they're moving off. This is my expectation is very good from Stellar XLM. So let's see to what's going on in upcoming days. But thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates of all cryptocurrencies. Keep touch with us. Subscribe.